So we should have the power add-on from last time. I'll help you with it if you can't get it. Always will help you with the analyses. Independent samples t-test. We want to find the actual power. And this is just our a priori power with our sample size. So we are like, okay, I wanted to have a medium effect size. My N, my number of participants per each group was, ideally it's the same. If it's the same, let's say it was 4 in each group, then you have 4 and you put in 1 here of group 2. Now, if group 1 has 4 and group 2 has 5, then you want to put 5 in here and 0.8 into there. Okay, so you've got to do, like if your n's are equal, you simply put whatever the n was, and you leave 1 there, and everything else stays the same. Now your power here would be 9%, 0.09. So it's power just like last time. If you have an unequal sample size, you put the larger power in here, the larger sample size in here, and like if your other sample size was 4, well, 4 divided by 5 is 80, so 0.8. All right, you just got to do that. Those are the two methods that gives you your a priori power. Now for your post hoc power, and that's going to be true for all your tests, but your post hoc power will be different based on your sample effect size. You can see that we plop different ones in here. So I'm going to say my sample effect size was 0.71. Even though it was negative, I'm putting it in as 0.71. I have the same sample size. And then that, you'll see that this change, I didn't run the second test. I could have duplicated and ran the second test. But this change shows you that my actual power for my study was 15%. Okay? Like 0.15. That's how you do power.